Hello CI scholars, how are you all? Children, today we are going to revise from World Around Us book chapter number 3, that is fruits. Remember children, we had done that chapter. Today we are going to revise that chapter once again. So let's start. So children, today we will be learning from World Around Us book. We will be revising chapter number 3, that is fruits. Plants gives us food in form of fruits and vegetables. Remember children, we had spoken about this earlier, that plants gives us food in the form of fruits and vegetables. In our last chapter also we did this, right? And fruits give the seeds of the plant, safely covering them and holding them tight. See, we can see here, this is a watermelon as one piece, right? And this is a piece of watermelon. These are the seeds. The black one is the seeds of watermelon. When do you get this piece? We get this piece after cutting the watermelon, right? Before that, all the seeds were safe inside the watermelon. Yes, the watermelon hold them tight inside them. All the fruits keep the seeds of the plant safely covering them and holding them tight inside. Okay? Fruits come in different colors and shapes. See, we can see a red apple, green grapes, orange, pear. Each and every fruit has different color and different shapes. Fruits helps us in many ways. It helps to keep our skin glowing. It keeps our hair glossy. It is very good for our eyes. So that is the reason children, we have to eat at least 1 or 2 fruit every day. Okay. So it will help us to keep our skin glowing, our hair will become very glossy, and it is very good for our eyes also. Fruits are of two types, juicy fruits and fleshy fruits. What are juicy fruits? Juicy fruits are the fruits which can be used to make juices, like oranges. We drink orange juice, right? Fleshy fruits. Fleshy fruits are the fruits which can be used to make shakes, like strawberry. We drink strawberry milkshake, right? There are some fruits which have lots of seeds, and there are some which have just 1 or 2 seeds. See this? This is a papaya. It has so many seeds inside. And this is a cherry. It is only 1 seed. See, we can see that, right? So there are some fruits which have many seeds inside, and there are some which have just 1 or 2 seeds. Like we had seen watermelon also, right? Watermelon has so many seeds inside it, and lychee has only 1 seed inside it, right? Anytime or all season fruits. What is anytime fruit? Some fruits are available round the year and you don't have to wait for any season to eat them. There are certain fruits which you can eat any point of time, that is in any season that is available, like apples, papayas, bananas, tomatoes. Yes, these all fruits are anytime or all season fruits. Yes children, tomato is a fruit, right? Tomato is a fruit. We call it as a vegetable, but it is not a vegetable, it is a fruit. Okay? Sometimes fruits or seasonal fruits. These are the fruits which are not available all the year round, but you have to wait for them for a particular season. What is seasonal fruit or sometimes fruit? These are the fruits which is not available all the year round. You have to wait for particular season to eat them. In seasonal fruits, we have summer fruits like mangoes, lychees, watermelons, and muskmelon. These all are summer fruits. Okay, this is available only during summer. Now we are having winter fruits like oranges, apples, pears, and guavas. This all are winter fruits. It is available only during winters. Now children, last but not the least, who is the king of the fruits? Right, mango is the king of the fruits. So children, today we have completed revision of chapter number 3. Very soon we will be meeting again in my next video. Till then, eat fruits, stay healthy. Bye bye and thank you so much.